9 devious things narcissists say or do to get you back. Hello everyone. Did you ever have any experience dealing with a narcissist? Or are you perhaps still struggling with the narcissist in your life? If you are still defending the narcissist in your life, for whatever reason there is, it means you enjoy every abusive moment with your narcissistic partner. Even though they hurt you again and again in each encounter, you choose to stay because you think they need you just how you need them. However, once you learn everything about their toxicity and narcissistic traits, you'll begin to take steps to shine your positive qualities. And you will also set boundaries for yourself. Exactly during this moment, the narcissist started to get mad and crazy. They will use every means to get you back to the old abusive cycles you used to experience when you subjected yourselves to their abuses. Narcissists are masters of word salads and manipulation that they can craft words and sentences in ways that make sure you will love or need to hear. Therefore, beware of these 9 sneaky, aka not so obvious things they can say to you to get you back to the horrendous cycles you no longer want to experience. But before that, please help us by clicking that like button below if you think this video is helpful for you. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any interesting updates in the future. 1. I promise I won't do that again. It is a lie if a narcissist has ever told you they don't know the faults that make the victims go away from them. They know their faults, yet they choose to replay their abuses over and over again as soon as they sniff their victims. Given that being said, I promise I won't do that again will draw the victim back to them because the victim will believe their false promises, only then to get abused in a more severe degree. 2. Can we discuss this? Big no. Past problems are the past. What's more is that narcissistic people are people with mental disorders. There are no known cures for narcissistic personality disorders. Additionally, people with narcissistic personality disorders can harbor from other personality and mental disorders. These cluster B people will only repeat their faults more severely if you ever agreed to their false cooperative strategies of asking you to discuss what they have done for your growth. 3. I have been through that just as much as you. They tell you long stories of how they've been abused. Having something in common is one of the areas where narcs love to lure their victims back. After all, hearing their former dearest person has been abused as well gives the victims comforting feeling that they will feel sorry for their abusers. Finally, they will go back, not knowing that their abusers don't and will never change. 4. I'm sorry you have been through such terrible things, or feeling sorry for your past sufferings. For a narcissist, the I'm sorry statement works the same as in the number 1 statement. That trick where their victim believes that the narcs are truly feeling remorseful for the damages they caused the victims. However, some victims don't notice the "you are wrong" part. Narcs never feel remorseful for what they've done and the damage they've caused. They don't even feel like normal humans. Bringing up your faults is one of the tricks they love to use to get you back to their horrendous, abusive behaviors. 5. Putting contact baits to you, yet they do them indirectly. This technique is frequently used by the narcissist's flying monkeys who are literally a narcissist themselves. If all they want is to reconnect with you, they should be the ones contacting you. In this case, however, they use their fellow narc buddies to help them spread the message. Once you fall into their traps, they will start bringing out your past faults and make sure you look like you're the bad one. 6. Insert some biblical verses here and there. Narcissists are the true definition of the jerks in sheep's clothing. They love to sugarcoat anything, including their lies, using any possible means. They love using biblical verses no matter what religious or belief systems they have to guilt trip their victims, including you, to get you back to their abuses. 7. False truths about their long-term sickness. This has always turned out to be a false truth. To make this seem even more truthful, the narcs usually bring up the diseases they suffer or have suffered from. They will make sure you have known that from the beginning. That way, you can't help but believe their false stories of sufferings. Then, they will tear you down the moment you discover that they don't suffer that hard. 8. Starts bringing up your loved ones here. If a narcissist can't control you, they will try to control the people around you. Your loved ones are their favorite alternative supplies because you love them so much. You will subject to their commands anyway. So one of the sneaky things they would say to get you back is involving your loved ones as much as possible. Again, they will start tearing you down the moment you find out they are not into your loved ones. 9. I am possessed. Finally, narcissists who abuse you spiritually love to use this phrase to give an impression they repent from their mistakes. Since they have programmed you to love your enemies as you love yourself, they are using this statement against you. When they have convinced you into believing their abuses are not because of them, but because of devils, it is where you see their masks fall. Final words. Go no contact as soon as possible when you have noticed your narcs try to hover back to you. Focus on self-love and your personal growth instead. Finally, stay away from narcs in your life regardless their positions, backgrounds, authority against you. Well, these are the 9 devious things narcissists say or do to get you back. I hope that you enjoyed my explanation. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to be notified of subsequent videos. Thanks for watching!